Top 3 tips to edit faster. First tip. When you drag your playhead on a clip and hit the Q key, everything on the left side of your playhead will be deleted, and the remaining part will snap to the clip in front. If you want to delete the last part of a clip, then drag the playhead and hit the W key. If you have an empty space between clips, don't drag the clips together. Just click on the empty space and hit delete on keyboard. Tip number 2. Duplicate layers. Instead of having to press Command or Control C and then going somewhere else and press Command or Control V, you can simply just press Option or Alt on your keyboard and then drag it out. You can duplicate any layer as many times as you want, faster and easier. Tip number 3. Setting in and out points. If you drag your footage into the timeline at the end and then go through it and find parts that you want, you're doing it wrong. Double-click on your footage and project panel. Go up to the source and press I to select your in point and O to select your out point. Now you can drag the video, or if you want, just the audio.